Hey guys, welcome back to my true FPS tutorial series, and in this video we're gonna set up the aim offset because right now if I look up and down, the character arms is not moving, so the aim offset will help us making a series of blendable poses for our character to aim. To start with, in the true FPS asset folder and the aim offset folder, we're gonna use all of these animation to help us create a aim offset. Alright, so in here we have 9 different animations. So the first thing we want to do is to select all of them, right click, asset actions, bug edit. So make sure in the additive settings property, you choose the mesh space and the base pose animation to be the the idle iron sight animation here. Alright, and I will save all. Then in this folder I will create a aim offset, use the skeleton and aim offset. Alright, so in here we have the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. So the horizontal axis will be our yaw input and the vertical will be the pitch. The minimum will be negative 90 and 90. Alright, so in the middle here we're gonna drag the aim center, and this will be the aim center down, aim center up. This will be the aim left center, aim left down, and aim left up. This is right center down and up. Alright, so the preview base pose will be the idle iron sight. Alright, so it looked a bit weird, so I think we have to bug edit again, and in the additive setting, so I select the wrong animation. So I have to find the idle iron sight, idle rifle iron sight, and put it here. Save all, and now we're good to go. Alright, so now in the character blueprint, in the character animation blueprint, in the anim graph, I will drag the aim offset we just created here and connect the wire. So the yaw I will promote to the new variable yaw input, and the pitch input. Alright, so now in the event graph, first of all I will delete this cast node because we won't need it, and I will also call up the nodes to a function, and I will call it variable setup. Then I will create a new function and call it aim offset setup, and I will code it here. So in the aim offset setup, it's actually very simple. So we just gonna call the player reference get control rotation and get rotation. We will get the difference between the two rotations, so we will call the delta. And then I will make a rotator based on the yaw input and the pitch input. Then I will enter this rotator to the difference here. And then I will break the rotator and clamp the angle. And we will set the pitch input to be this float, and the yaw input to be this float. The mean angle degrees will be -90, and so as this. And we're done. Oh, not quite. So the delta time we'll call the get world delta seconds, and the interval speed will be 10. Okay, so let's test this out. Alright, so it's working very good. Alright guys, so that's the end for this video, and I will see you in the next one.